So we are very happy and extremely proud that Shillong is one of the host cities for the Durand Cup for the second consecutive year. And this is, as I said, a great moment for us. We thank the armed forces for selecting Shillong as one of the host cities and for giving us an opportunity to host the Durand Cup this year once again in Shillong. And also Shillong, as you all know, is a football-loving city. Meghalaya state is a state where most of the population out here loves football. As a state government also, we are really pushing and promoting football at the grassroots level and even at the professional level. So we are very happy that the Durand Cup once again has been hosted here. And as we're witnessing the first match between the Malaysian Armed Forces and our own Lajong club out here, football club, I'm very happy, and of course I'm here to support Lajong today in this very, very important match. So once again, I would like to thank the armed forces for giving Shillong and Meghalaya the opportunity to once again host the Durand Cup.